Hi guys, and welcome to the daily predictions. We are going to talk about how the energy of 14th of October is going to be for all of us, and I'm hopeful that you've already watched the video for 13th of October. If you've not, then you can go to the daily prediction playlist and you can watch that video because there's a lot that probably 13 will bring for us, and I'm hoping that it will bring all those changes that all that light that the video kind of showed or the video depicted. Okay, so looking at the cards for 14th of October, the first card is again 10 of Cups, and 10 of Cups is a card of happy family. It's a card of transformation. It is the card of love. It is the card of everybody coming together. It is the card of balance, because if you see, there are 5 cups here, there are 5 cups here, completely balanced. So it is a card of love. It is the card of balance. It is the card of coming together. The only one thing that I don't can't stop myself from noticing here is one child is looking at the other side. So there's probably a possibility where you might miss somebody, or somebody might be missing you, or you might just miss expressing your love to somebody. So if you can, please express your love to anybody who's around you or who's your family, and sometime with the family is definitely seen on the cards. The second card is Queen of Cups, and Queen of Cups is a card which talks about second card is Queen of Cups. Queen of Cups is a card of it's emotions. Queen of Cups is a card of balance. Queen of Cups is a card of intuition. So somewhere the card is definitely saying that your intuition and emotions both are going to be very, very high on 14th of October, and balance your emotion is going to be very, very important. Balance of emotions will help you connect with your intuition in a better way, because 14th October is Ma Siddhidatri, which is your wishes. You can manifest anything. Your wishes can become the reality of your reality, and that's what the cards are also depicting, that if you balance your emotions and if you be in your intuition and if you spread that love, if you see what is happening around you and in you and in the family, you can actually manifest anything that you would want to. You can actually manifest all the beautiful things in your life. If you see in this card, 9 of Pentacle, if you see, she's actually manifesting a lot of pentacles in the mirror. So and she's actually bringing them out. She's almost reaching them now, because they have been manifested. They have been perfect now they have been created now. So this is the card of manifestation, and that manifestation can happen when you are grounded in your energies, because when you are grounded, that is only when you can manifest what you want to manifest. The next card that I have is Knight of Wands, and Knight of Wands is the card of message. It is the card of communication. It is the card of bringing things out. It is the card of charging forward with all that power, all that authority that you have. There is a new sun that is rising, but you cannot see the face at this point in time. So there might be some messages, there might be some communications, but you will not be able to see where it is coming from, or why it is coming from, or what is the basic purpose behind this kind of communication that is coming in your life or around you. This is also a card that kind of depicts at time people in defense, or people in kind of police or defense services, some communication coming from that end also. Now the way these cards are, this is number 10, the total is 8, which is infinity, or which is strength. So you have to be in your strength to manifest what you have to manifest. Also the cards are, because this is the card of third eye chakra, these are the cards of solar plexus and sacral. This is the card of throat. Somewhere if your emotions are balanced is only when you will be able to manifest. So to do balance your emotions, it is very, very important for today to balance your emotions for 14th of October. I did take out some extra card, and the 2 card that came, and they actually fell poles apart from each other. Like one card fell in this direction, other card fell in that direction. And if you see again, this card, these cards depict also something that is kind of poles apart from each other. There is ice, snow, and water here, and there is fire here. So this is like water and fire, or snow and fire. This is completely opposite energies, and that is the kind of thing that I feel the 14th of October is bringing in, where you are going to be pulled and pushed between completely opposite energies. And if you want to manifest something, if you want to get to something, you will have to balance your energies. Now here in this devil card, there is a devil who is actually standing shadow, who's standing right behind this girl. He's waiting for her to actually drink whatever is in her hands, and the moment she drinks it, she will be ready to jump in any fire, right? And this is the card of actually of sacral chakra, and this is the card of your lust. This is the card of being addictions. This is the card of being directed by any kind of pleasure, which is temporary, which is actually pulling you towards something negative. So one, if you go out, if you are partying, if you're doing anything where you are meeting people, just be very careful what you are drinking and who's giving you what to drink. So be little careful with that energy. Second, also somewhere I feel that this is the card which says that today you have an ability to actually come out of this energy, come out of energy of temporary pleasures and realize what is your manifestation, what is your dream, what do you want to manifest. Because the next card here, it shows that you can manifest whatever you wanted to manifest for yourself. This person, there is 4 of Wands. This person is walking on this bridge, and she's actually manifested what she wanted to manifest. There is a big huge building there, or a big house, or a big palace that is there, and she's manifested that. Her heart is transformed and she's walking towards that path. There is transformation, there are butterflies. Now another thing with these 2 cards that I can see is that there is a possibility where devil energies actually get somebody from the negative side, some devil energy, some negative energy. It could be a negative thought, a negative mindset, negative thinking of yours also, that can actually be manifested into, or that can actually be changed into a warm, beautiful heart energy, a warm, beautiful energy of manifestation. There might be a heart change of devil. Okay, so somebody who was negative or some negativity in you can actually be transformed today. Another thing that I can see in this card is that there is going to be a juggling between your sacral chakra and your heart chakra, which means your pleasures, your addictions, your fire. Ideally the sacral chakra is also water, it's not fire, but the way it is depicted here, it is like your temporary pleasures or addictions. You can actually come out of all of that and transform those energies. So don't focus on temporary pleasures or temporary things, or lust, or temporary anything, greed. Don't focus on those energies, rather transform them into something more beautiful. And there is some kind of celebration or manifestation that is coming your way on 14th of October. I'm again saying you have the ability to manifest, just use that ability in the right way. I also feel that there is a possibility where they might try to influence, somebody might try to influence people in defense, emotionally or through money, but the overall energy is that probably they will not be successful. Rather, somebody in the devil energy will have a heart change or transformation. These are chakra tarot, chakra wisdom tarot. The second card that I have is from Work Your Magic. This is again number 10. If you see, this is 15, which is 6, and this is 4. So this is again number 10. Next card that I have is number 7. It says it is 4 plus 3, which is 7, and it is Linus. It says you have earned all your stripes, and second clover, release your guilt. And again the energy is similar, that whatever you have in your life, whatever you're doing in your life, whatever your abilities are, whatever you've manifested, whatever you've created, it is all done by you. You have earned it, you've worked hard for it, you have done all that you were supposed to do for it, and you've moved on in your life. Now don't have any kind of guilt, don't think negative, don't worry about negative things. Release the guilt of things that you've been doing, release the guilt of things that you've been trying to do for now. But at the same time, it is very important, when you release the guilt, you also realize what you're doing, and then you set it right. So think from your heart, and anything that you've been doing wrong, anything that you have done wrong, anything that you've created in your life, whether it is positive or negative, realize what you've done, and then release the guilt by actually setting things right for yourself. And these are four palette clovers and 4-leaf clovers, and they are actually considered to be very lucky. So if you see, she's actually gotten too many. She's filled her pockets also, hands also, and this one has a little bit of it, and she's still kind of picking up more, but she's stopped her hand now. She's thinking that should I pick up more or should I let her pick more? So you should let her, so she should actually let her pick more, and there are more than enough for everyone, right? So just ensure that you're into calmer energies, balanced energies, you are thinking from your heart. The next cards that I have are messages from Mermaid, and the way the cards are, I'm going to read it like this only, the way they came. So first is go with the flow. It is very important for you to go with the flow of life, because when you go with the flow of life, this is when things actually start working out beautifully well for you. This is when magic happens. So when you flow with the flow of life, you are gifted the magic, you are created the magic, you manifest the magic, but you have to be patient and you have to be in the love energy. So patience are going to pay you off today, and the energy of love is going to work beautifully well for you. Again, there is heart and there is love energy. So ensure that you are patient, ensure that you're going with the flow, ensure that you're not pushing the things, and then the energy of love is guiding everything, and you will not only get love, you will spread love. The next card that I have is Yogic Path cards, and this is prana, and that is the magic that we live in. It is the magic of prana, through which we breathe, through which we live, through which we transform, through which we energize, through which we connect with the universe. So today, think about it. What is the energy that you are pulling into your body and that you are exiting to the universe or exhaling to the universe? Only breathe light and only breathe out light. So breathe in light and breathe out light is something that is going to be very beautiful for you today, and you can manifest anything. Even the breathing is something that we manifest, and it is the most beautiful thing that keeps us alive, and most effortless thing that keeps us alive. So today, just be in that energy, beautiful positive energy, and breathe prana out and in. That is going to be very, very important, and consciously breathe. Conscious breath is going to be very important today. I'm going to take out one additional message. Let's see what is the message for 14th of October. When I say today, it means 14th. What is the message for 14th of October? What is the additional message that we need to know for 14th of October, guides, angels? Okay, maybe I have to change the deck somehow. I'm not sure why, but I'm using the SSR deck, or the Heaven and Earth Tarot. So, guides, angels, what is the additional message for 14th of October 2021? What is the additional message? Okay. So we have 3 cards, and they jumped quite far away. Not 3, we have actually 5 cards. Okay, the start is 6 and the end is 6 is how I see it. First card is pleasure. It is the card of giving gift to somebody, or giving something to somebody, or trying to get somebody into the love energy of love. Second card is King of Pentacle, where there is pentacle, money, and this person is trying to kind of move forward with this. This looks like a cow. Yeah, it doesn't look like a bull. It is like a cow. He's sitting on the whatever it is pulled by a cow, and he's sitting on a cow, and it has wheels, but doesn't look like the cow is very comfortable, or doesn't look like this person is also very comfortable either. But these two energies are something that has been depicted here also, the energy of emotions and the energy of love, and it feels like the energy of love and the energy of emotions are coming together, and there is going to be some kind of communications. So there is the new energy, Ace of Wands. Ace of Wands is like a fresh, beautiful new energy where something comes in the divine hand, a passionate energy. There is a Page of Swords who's actually who has her sword high, but she's looking behind. She's looking as to in the past, as to what happened or what is happening, and should I move forward. And then last card is victory, recognition, or reward. And if I see from numbers, this is 6, and King is actually number 15. So number 14, which is 5. So 5 plus 6 is 11. So this is number 11 card, and this says that there is an energy where you might think about your past, you might just reconsider your future, you might just reconsider where you're moving and are you moving in the right direction, and you might just choose a new direction, you might just choose a new direction for yourself, you might just choose a new path for yourself, you might just choose a new energy for yourself. And this is number 11 together, and this is number 6, this is 2, and this is 1. So 6, 7, 8 plus 1, 9. So 9, 11 is the energy that I'm getting, and if you put these together, 9, 11, this again becomes 11. where you choose the new direction. You still are stuck between the old and the new, so you have to make a choice. And when you make a choice to move forward, that is when there is victory, there is reward, there is recognition. So some kind of victory definitely coming your way, some kind of positive news or positive message or positive channeling is coming your way. Maybe somebody is going to realize that the energy of emotion is much more stronger than the energy of money, and you might realize that, and you might just choose your heart over your greed or anything else. And that's a beautiful energy. So if you like the video, if you can, please press the like button. That makes video searchable. It just take 1 second of yours. And if you can, please share the videos with everyone else so that they can reach more people and they can get the guidance. I'll be truly grateful to you. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye bye.